Welcome. We are studying linear algebra and we have covered matrix, determinant, and now we are studying inverse of a matrix. So how to find inverse of a matrix? So this is how we find inverse of a matrix. If A is a non-singular matrix, so what does you mean about non-singular matrix? If you don't know what is a non-singular matrix, then go to the previous video and you will find out what is a non-singular matrix. So a non-singular matrix is a matrix in which determinant is not equal to 0. So if the determinant of a matrix is non-zero, then the matrix is non-singular matrix. Determinant should be non-zero. Okay, so inverse of a matrix can be calculated by finding out adjoint of A and dividing it with determinant of the original matrix A. So what is the adjoint matrix? Now, the transpose of the matrix obtained by replacing the element of a square matrix A by corresponding cofactor is called the adjoint matrix of A, and it is denoted by adjoint A. So let's take one example and understand what is adjoint of matrix and what is the inverse of matrix. So I am taking an example of a matrix which is here. A matrix A is given having element 1, 2, 3, 4. So to find inverse of a matrix, the determinant of this matrix should be non-zero. So let's find out determinant of this matrix. So determinant of A, this is a 2 cross 2 matrix, so we can directly find out its determinant. So 4 into 1 minus 2 into 3, which is 4 minus 6, which is minus 2. So determinant is non-zero, so we can find its inverse. So let's find out its adjoint. So what is adjoint? The transpose of the matrix obtained by replacing the element of a square matrix A by corresponding cofactor. So now have a temporary matrix temp where we will find out its cofactor. So if we have to find the cofactor of element this 1, so we have to delete the first row and the first column, and the remaining element will be its cofactor 4 आएगा यहाँ पर, and the sign will be -1. This is how we find, this is the formula to find the cofactor. So here mij is 4. Now remaining -1 to the power I plus j. So this is 1 1. So I is 1, j is 1. -1 की power 2 is 1. So it is 4. It is -1 raised to the power 1 plus 1, which is -1 की power 2 multiplied by 4, which is 4. So the value is 4. Now cofactor of 2. So deleting this we get 3. Now the row is 1, I is 1 and j is 2. So I plus j, 1 plus 2 3, -1 की power 3 -1. So it will be -1. Now the next is this element. So deleting 1, 3 and 4 we got 2, and the I is 2 here, j is 1, so it is -1, and the next element is 1, and the value will be, the sign will be I is 2, j is 2, which is 2 plus 2 4, -1 की power 4, which is -1 1. So this is how we find out a cofactor of any matrix. Now we have to find out its transpose, because adjoint matrix is the transpose of the matrix, transpose of this matrix which is containing the cofactor of each element. So the cofactor of 1 is 4, 2 is -3. So these are this is a matrix containing cofactor. Now let's take its transpose. So interchanging rows and column. So transpose is 4 -3 -2 and 1. So this is the transpose of temp transpose. Now how to find inverse? Inverse can be find out by dividing adjoint of a matrix A with its determinant. So this is adjoint. Now dividing it with A. So A inverse is matrix is 4 -2 -3 1 divided by our determinant of A, which is -2. So this is how we find out inverse of a matrix where determinant should be non-zero. Determinant should be non-zero. So in order to find out the inverse of matrix, first you have to check out that the determinant of a matrix is non-zero, the matrix should be non-zero matrix, then you should know how to find out the cofactor. So using cofactor you can find the adjoint matrix, and using adjoint matrix and determinant of the matrix you can find out inverse of matrix. So in the next video we will see some important result or direct result regard related to inverse of a matrix.